If you need to update your phone number on Afterpay, follow these simple steps to ensure your account information is current. This will help you receive important notifications and updates related to your purchases. Step 1. Open the Afterpay app. Launch the Afterpay app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, you can also access your account through the Afterpay website. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your login credentials to access your Afterpay account. Make sure you use the account associated with the phone number you wish to change. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option. This is usually found in a menu, often represented by a profile icon or labeled as account. Step 4. Update your phone number. In account settings, find the section for personal information or contact details. Here, you can enter your new phone number. Make sure to double check for any errors before saving. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After updating your phone number, save the changes. You may receive a verification code via SMS to confirm the new number. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number on Afterpay will be successfully updated. Be sure to keep your contact information current to avoid any issues with your account.